Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. Well, today's the day. I'm up here to the build, and one of the most crucial parts, the build platform's been sitting here all winter long. Snow piled on top of it and stuff, and you know, I don't do this for a living, so we done as best we could to keep it in the ground and put it on piers and everything else. So the thing is now, before we could start building, we got to know if the thing stayed level. So that's what I'm going to do. Stay with me. And as you can see, it's pretty much the way we left it. But the ground here is pretty wet. Wetter than it was last year. According to the weather service, we had just the right amount of snowfall to fill people's wells. It was a better snowpack and snowfall than we've had in the past couple of years. Okay, so looking around up here, you can see the this 30 by 50 top stayed pretty good. Still got a little stuff that's fallen out of the trees, but other than that, and again, the size of this is 24 foot wide and it's 48 feet long. That corner where I've done my original measuring from is where I will take these measurements to see how flat it is, see if the wind had disturbed it. And this corner here is perhaps the highest off the ground. It's you know, 8 feet up here on this corner, down to about 3 foot on that corner. So yeah, 24 foot wide, 48 feet long, and it's got 7 piers under the long edge, both long edges, for a total of 14 piers, and then 7 piers down through the middle. So all told, there's 22 piers that this is sitting on, and 21 opportunities for it to be screwed up. So anyway, I got to get my level started. Okay, so this is my top con, laser level. Like I say, when we built this thing, we done all our measurements from this corner. So what I'm going to do, well, first off, I'll get it started. Has to self-level. And then I'll turn this end on, and I've already set it up so that that should be where it's level. So hopefully this gets a good reading all over the place. Okay, so the level is spinning, so it's already done its level thing. I don't know if you can hear that solid beat. It's probably about 1/8 of an inch. I got to raise it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower it just to get it a little closer. All right. So that's set for this corner right now. And that corner was good. So let's take a look at the middle and this edge. crucial post is right here. Right there, so I got to tip it just slightly off axis. So I would say it's probably within an eighth. Yeah, same thing here. It's probably within about an eighth. I'm impressed. I would have thought it would have moved a lot more than that from the winter. But, who knows. So I'm gonna go down this edge. There's one right here, you probably can't see it on the camera. Yeah, just a little bit of a tip. Yeah. About 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. Eighth to 1/4 low. Pretty damn good. All right, let's go down the other edge, way down the other end. Boy, 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, that's pretty damn good. I never would have expected it to stay that close. About right on the money. Right on the money. Looks like the thing, if anything, has lifted up just a little bit. All the money. Yep. Wow. Pretty impressed. Really surprised. Yep. I don't know, folks. I'm pretty happy. That would have been a major pain if somehow we would have had to re-level all this. So in, I think it's Fine Home Building magazine, it says if the overall foundation, a concrete foundation, is within 1.5 inches, that's within tolerance. I'd say our piers and this platform is within 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. Pretty good. Hats off to Linda and me. Hate to pat myself on the back, but damn, I'm glad. So we're going to start the walls here soon. I just got to order the material, then we'll be standing up the walls. Thanks for watching and coming along with us on this journey. As soon as we get the material, we'll be pounding nails. Thanks again. Bye for now.